What's good, shooters? Your boy Gutter CEO. We back with another morning market brief. It's for July 15th. Let's get into it. Let's see what we got, man. First off, let's switch our screens. We got the wrong screen up. Actually, let me switch this stuff back over here. Yeah, we'll do that. I'll keep it like this for today. I tried to switch it up for this morning, but I'll keep it like that for today so we can go ahead and get started. Alright, so we had CPI today, and that came in a little bit hotter than expected, but still not too crazy, so that's why the market just overlooked it and we kept pushing higher. I want to say the Fear Greed Index is still at 76, and then on top of that, we got some good news coming in with Trump about to unveil a $70 billion AI energy investment. So even though we at all-time highs, we got some positive things going on in the economy that's helping push the market. Let's check out the current positions that we in. Right now we in the Procter & Gamble, Baba, and Darden Restaurants, DRI. The Procter & Gamble position, we down on that original position that we got in up here at this support. We gapped down. I'm trying to think what was this was this was when he announced the new tariffs on Europe and Mexico, but I don't think that's gonna last. I think we're gonna get a deal with them, and that's gonna send us right back above the support line. We have no reason to be down this far on Procter and Gamble. They're not even really affected as much by the tariffs. So I think that's just news. Plus, we got these out till like September. Yeah, we got those out till September, so we'll be all right there. I did grab one that expires Friday. That's at the money. It was like 155 strike, I think. Yeah, 155 strike. So, and it was a small position, like $200, maybe like almost three. But yeah, I played that just in case we get this pop, maybe on retail sales data on Thursday or something like that. On Baba, we caught this here. They got a nice pop because there are some bonds in China that they're making money off of. Let me see if I can pull that story up. And on the technicals, they were looking good, and then the fundamentals came in. The fundamental side, we got some help from the fundamental side. So let's see if I can get that story up on. It was yesterday they posted that. Let's see right here. Alibaba joins $30 billion surge in Asian equity linked bonds. Says it down here somewhere. Convertible bonds allow Baba to raise cash without immediate equity dilution, appealing volatile geopolitical rate environment. This move reflects a pivot in the regulatory strain towards capital efficient as the friendly posture. So yeah, that's what Alibaba is. They're gaining some momentum based on those investments that they have in those Chinese bonds or Asian bonds. I'm not sure if it's China specifically. The other position we got is DRI, the Darden Restaurants. Even though it's down right now, I think we good on this position. We got it out I think we do got this one out to October. Yeah. We got that one out to October, and those are at the money 210 calls. So I think we're okay on Darden. We're back retesting these highs. As long as we don't close the week, I would say below this level, I think we'll be okay. I think we can gain some momentum and get back to highs. Um, Now I probably would be looking. We get back up here around 225. I would definitely be looking to exit that position. Probably exit it before because it's only one contract. And it's gonna be in decent profit once it gets right around this 218 to 220 area, and it'll be testing this 20 MA. So that's why I would expect to exit that position. Let's just see how it plays out. We're gonna be down a little bit on it this morning because it's down like a dollar and some change, $1.45 pre-market. So we'll see how that one plays out. Um, what else we looking at? That's my dashboard. Crypto popped again with the news this morning. I added some more shares in Kular. I'm down 388 on that position. I think I added 25 more shares. I got 225 now. It will round up on Kular. I'm not really tripping on that position. Just keep averaging in. And then once we pop to the other side, we at $6 now. Yeah, we could double this position easy. Once we start gaining momentum. So I like Kular. We should be looking. Honestly, we should be doing research and looking deeper into when we can expect them to gain some momentum. But they got earnings coming up. I want to say in October, September. Oh no, they got August. Was their last earnings? I can't see it. So that's even closer. They got earnings in August. So we may see them start to pick up some momentum then. Let's see what we got. Inflation picks up again in June, rising to 2.7. Okay, the market just opened. Let me get this playing in the background. I don't think y'all can hear that anyway.
It's been many years. Oh, wow. Maybe 15 years since they come on. Yeah, we'll keep that in mind.
Okay, BR is down, but it's pushing back up. Baba is up 630 on the day.
People are cooling on this whole idea of.
Oh yeah, that posted in the group.
Anyone in that business, and I come back and I'm looking at Costco, and I think Costco is such a buy. But I'm a lonely voice.
Up 640 on the day. That position is up 795 altogether.
Yeah. And we had that downgraded Proctor a couple days ago.
I thought that makes sense. They're caught. I mean, Proctor's caught.
Put that in the group real quick.
All those guys have an Amazon problem. Kimberly, you have to have a strategy for Amazon. You just can't let them be in charge. But right now, Amazon is in charge, and I think that's what the
850 on the position.
The big takeaway is, all right.
Yeah, we sitting in Baba, man. We got those out for a while too. I like this position here, especially once we get up here to the upper band. We may consider taking profit on one of them contracts and then letting the other one run. I don't know. We'll see how it plays out. Of course, we done spiked up there on the 5.
I felt bad for Claude. I don't feel bad. I felt bad. Oh, geez, I'm really slighting this Claude. And everybody knows I'm on these things like, I'm on them ridiculous. Yes. There are people who think, Jim, back off. But I can't stop putting them through different ones. Sarah Pryor, when she told me, listen, Jim, if you don't use ChatGPT, I mean, the advanced version, I put through that. Perplexity, George Kurtz told me about it, just the facts, man. Claude's my daughter's go-to. Grok is my one for when I have something involved with tech.
All right, now there's Grok for government, as we know yesterday.
Grok for government. And then AI is, if I ever need to know anything that would normally be in People magazine. But boy, I gotta tell you, this Claude.
Dart and none bounced back. Dart and
that's fantastic.
no, it's down 75. It was up $5 at open. All right, so we chilling in those. Procter and Gamble bounced. I think that smart, that short position, that short swing is it's even right now. So we should start gaining some momentum on that. I think that one's still down like $100 though. Yeah, it's down like 144.
Well, come on, we don't know. I mean, we don't know anything. I mean, where is Gemini? What can Gemini do?
We
That
get back
I
over
can't do?
155, those gonna be in profit, and I'll
Good
probably
particulars about why I
consider
should go to
taking
Claude.
profit once
Not
we get
that Claude
above
would be
that.
tied up with S&P, but maybe I need to. But if I want financials, I go there first.
Maybe once we close this gap, we'll see how that price action goes. We outside the bands on the daily, so yeah, we should be gaining some upward momentum on Procter and Gamble. Probably once that money rolls out of tech, they start taking profit over there. We'll see some flow into Procter and Gamble.
So much money, but it doesn't matter. Gemini is kind of an afterthought. They're worried about so many different things. When I see Anthropic should be out there saying, right now, if you have a question that has anything to do with finance, come to us. Because in the end, it's going to be Bing. It's going to be Bing versus Google.
Right.
And you don't want to be Bing.
By the way, B of A takes Meta to 775.
Meta's
Wells today
Alright.
takes Microsoft to 600. No slowdown in their AI.
No, none. AI doing well, and people they raise their
On that
Here's a good example.
$70 billion AI and energy investment with Trump,
It's so easy. Look,
we
it's
got,
the size of Manhattan. Well,
where is
that's like
it?
Charlie
Is it broken down?
don't
I read a bigger article earlier where it was broken down into actually, let's do this. I'll send it.
There actually was some good sound from Zuckerberg yesterday. He talked about whether or not these comp numbers are actually true. Take a listen to this.
A lot of the numbers specifically have been
So,
inaccurate.
yeah. I'm gonna send it to the group,
Other key
and then
reasons
I'll
why
pull it
people
up
are
on
super
here.
excited to come work on Meta Superintelligence Labs, and one of the biggest is that
Let's see.
you just have more leverage as a researcher. You have more compute, right? I mean, the best researchers basically, like historically, when I was recruiting people to different parts of the company, people are like, okay, what's my scope going to be? And here people say, I want
There we go.
people reporting to me and the most GPUs. And so having
So this is the breakdown for the AI data center supply chain boom, and we should pay close attention to these companies
as one of the main reasons why
as we going into this AI revolution. As the money, a lot of the money and investments in the government spending is going to be going towards this to build out our infrastructure for AI, data centers, and all that stuff within the economy. And we kind of have to do that in order to keep up and stay ahead in this AI race amongst other countries. So this is pretty much a blueprint on the companies that you can spread, disperse some capital and make some investments in. And I would diversify it, and not only these, you can go into industrials as well, because you got to build the data centers, and there's gonna be a lot of construction going on. So you got Cat and John Deere, companies like that, that's probably gonna benefit from this as well. So $70 billion being pumped and injected into the economy for AI data centers is gonna flow into all the other markets at some point, as well as consumer spending on retail, because you gotta have more people earning more money, so that means more spending. So it's all a rotation. But this is big, so we should definitely pay attention to all these companies, which we already do. But they've zeroed in the focus on where the money's going with the AI data center and energy deal. So I'm gonna watch some of these positions. I said we're good on Baba, DRI, Darden. It's down $2 this morning, but we'll see how this plays out. We got an oversold, on average, an oversold RSI typically bounces from here. It hasn't been this low since July of 24, this time last year, and then that's on the daily. So yeah, we had a pretty solid support level. But we'll see how this plays out, and see if we start rounding out and gaining some upward momentum. We outside of the Bollinger Bands, the lower Bollinger Band on the daily. So yeah, we got a few signals I should say, to allow us to be okay with playing that to the upside. Baba's flat now. That's gonna keep pushing, man. I think we're gonna really start pushing on Baba. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some action like this. And especially if we break out and retest, that's gonna be a nice position to get into, like maybe on the weekly. Get a breakout here and a retest, maybe right before earnings. That'll be nice. But we'll see how that plays out. Coin way up there. Yeah, coin way up there. I want to say crypto has been cooling a little bit. Let's look at Bitcoin. Crypto's been cooling a little bit. I took some profit on the Bitcoin. I meant the crypto positions. I took some profit on those, and I'm still got my recurring investments, so I'm gradually building those positions back up all the while. I just think we'll start pulling back some, and I'll be averaging in as we pulling back for us to round back up after we come back and retest previous highs. Or we can keep going. I mean, I'm still in it either way. I just wanted to take some chips off the table. So we'll see how that plays out. SPY still pushing, making highs. Market still going, making higher highs. New all-time highs. Market sentiment. Let's go to the Qs. Qs, new all-time highs. We could be coming back to retest and continue higher. And we've broken this upward trend. So I'm anxious to see how that goes. I think we're gonna start gaining some momentum over here. IWM, the Russell, which is the small cap companies. I think this is where we're gonna start seeing some major momentum. So I really want to get into companies that have been undervalued over the last month or two. Over the last 2 months, I would say, coming up, some of them small cap companies that have been undervalued, and they are a solid company with a solid balance sheet and business plan and blueprint. I don't see why they won't stand up once all this money is being pumped back into the economy, especially once we get rate cuts, which are coming later this year. But it's not gonna start pumping right when we get rate cuts. It's gonna start now. Like, being that we know that they coming, they probably already starting to run. Pretty sure they are, because the Russell's already been pumping with the market since April. But you're gonna have some laggards in there that we can find some opportunities to get in some good positions. So let me give you a few. Let me give y'all the three stocks that out of our 10 that I put out in the group on our daily watch list. Where is it at? I seen him this morning. I don't know what happened to him. CIP, Grok on vehicles. I know I had it on here. I'm trying to find the watch list. I had it this morning. I don't know what happened to it. Trade overview. I don't know. I gotta find it. I know we had. I can actually give you a few of them that was on the Nvidia was one. We had Nvidia. We had some new ones on there though, man, that I wanted to give you. Some that I haven't even looked into yet. I just gotta find it. Well, I guess we won't get those on the live today, but I will put them out in the group. So if you want to learn how to trade stocks, stock options, make money in the stock market, we can go to maybe my monthly. I'm up 5 something on the day, mainly because of Alibaba. On the week we up 1,200, almost 13. On the month we up like 7,600. In the last 3 months we up like 13K, almost 14. We was up like 15 on 3 months. But yeah, you want to learn how to trade stocks, man, and make some money in the stock market. It ain't no trick to it. We do this every day. I'll bring the group over here so you can see what we do over here. Yeah, we make the call outs. I put the thing in the group for us to join the live that we on right now. Put the information out there on Baba. We can see where we called Baba. Matter of fact, let's go to that. I called Baba in the group. Right here. This is where I initially called Baba. And I had us in Procter & Gamble here. Then we went up. There we go. Starting to pop a little bit on Baba. Then that's this morning. We end up getting that news. And we popped this morning. What's the other position? This is when I put DRI in the group. You'll see me the break and retest, previous highs, low RSI. So I give you a breakdown on why I'm in the position, what position I'm in. Yeah, don't get no better than that, man. You walking through the market with us day for day. This is Hunter, one of our top shooters. He's actually a certified shooter now. He's sponsored by the group, so he don't pay to be in the group anymore. He's just here for the vibes. And he's a really good trader. Like, he's become a really good swing trader. He started out day trading and he drifted more towards my style of trading with swings. And he's doing really good. This is a Meta play that he had yesterday that was up 645. A Google play he had yesterday that was up 240. And he's making these plays on his own. That's not us. He's making these plays on his own. And it's good to see people that have been with us for a while, they grow and able to become profitable traders. So just to give y'all an idea of some of the stuff, let's put in I like. But that's usually what I say when I get ready to put. I really like this position. We was down on it that day, but we popped again. We were actually up on Procter & Gamble like 200 something the other day. We down like 5 something, I think, on that position right now, but we got it out a little while, so we'll be all right. And yeah, that's about it, man. So if you want to join Sharpshooter Stocks, go to you can go to WAP. You can find us on WAP, or you can go to our Instagram. No, I can't go to the Instagram. But you can go to our Instagram at sharp_shooters_stocks, or click the link in the bio. It'll take you directly to our WAP to join the group. I actually will put the Instagram link in the bio as well, or the description as well. And yeah, we'll get you rocking and rolling, man. Don't fall too much, Baba. Alright, that's a wrap, man, for the morning market brief for July 15th. Stay safe.